Hi, I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be unboxing this month's pink parcel. Oh, the best bit was they was doing a £1 offer for this whole box, and it's just it's a subscription box to sanitary towels and or tampons items, depending which one you choose. But the best bit is they have a whole box of random goodies that come with the sanitary towels. For example, so these are in each box of things like this. I'm going to go to this box later on. Oh. So stuff like that, but the best box is this box, and this month's is the Eaten Mess Candy Kittens. I'm going to do this quickly because I'm running out of battery. They come also with a bag if you want to give away any spare sanitary towels. In this box, in this tube box is a no, it's not 7ml, is it? It's a perfume of English Laundry number 7. And how many ml this is, I have no idea. 10 milligrams. I'm looking forward to the Eaten Mess Candy Kittens the most. In the box is also this Lavati. It's a dew pot illuminator. In that box was this container, so Lazarati. I just open this, so it'll be easier like this. So it looks like this, pink. Also in this box is a O'Reilly's Beauty Dewy Glow Balm for skin, lips, and wait, you can put this on your lips, on your nails as well. In this box is a mattifying cream, Seba Med Clear Face. So it's a mattifying cream. It's space mask from spacemask.com, so it's a mask. Feels quite thick. And then lastly is this ground coffee in a bag. So my favourite part of this box is this box of random items, and can't wait to try this Eaten Mess Candy Kittens. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my face page for more content, and please do comment below if you prefer to use sanitary towels or tampons. Thank you for watching.